I joined Saathi about 2.5 months ago, and one thing that I've noticed since I've come here is just the scale of everything. When I landed and you enter and there's all these lights and sounds and smells and people, which is overwhelming at first and it takes some time to get used to. But it also means that when you start a company and you're selling a product that you think is going to make a big impact, you can impact a lot of people. So there's 350 million women we could impact with our biodegradable sanitary pads, and that's exciting. It's something would be like selling sanitary pads to the whole of US, for example. These scale and this number means there's so much energy going into it, and at times it's overwhelming, but usually it's just exciting, and that's something cool, new, and different. The Bombay Chamber is already a great partner, and what I see going forward in the future and how they can continue to support startups is, for us as a manufacturing company, bringing in more manufacturing leaders together. So there's a lot of support for tech space, but for manufacturing-based startups, we'd love to have some technical expertise and have access to big amounts of funding that really are required when you're setting up a new manufacturing plant. So bringing together manufacturing leaders is, I think, how Bombay Chamber can support us in the future. By making our product in India, we prove that startups have a big opportunity to increase employment. For example, we give extra income to banana farmers who are buying their agricultural waste from. We employ 8 women in our manufacturing plant, and all of our suppliers are local from Gujarat and other states. So we've reflected employment across the whole ecosystem, from our supply chain to who we actually employ, just by producing in India. So Make in India is a great initiative and proves that startups are going to really drive employment going on forward. One thing that I think is important for being able to sustain a startup is your ability to problem solve. For example, Saathi is doing something that's first of its kind, making a biodegradable sanitary pad made from banana fiber. And everyone on our team is really dedicated to our mission and always up for solving a new challenge. And when we don't know how to solve that challenge, we leverage our networks. So building a strong network of advisors and mentors who have experience in the space, who are able to help us with problems we've never solved before, gives us the strength of a really big team, even when we're only just 8 employees. And I think this will help us in the long term sustain our business.